we want to put in it. So we're going to start with 1 unit. I'm starting with 1 unit, so my risk is $25. Okay. Once again, this is live market trading data. This is exactly the same data that you would be seeing if you were trading real money. And I'm watching this green indicator pull up on this candle right here. And I'm going to go ahead and slide over here. I've entered and clicked this take profit, and I've clicked the stop loss. And I'm going to enter the trade. As soon as it gives me one more indicator, I always make sure that it gives me 2 good solid indicators. It's giving me one, and then it's trying to retrace a little bit. So I'm going to make sure it's made up its mind that it truly does want to go upward, which is called long. So we're not trading short. There it is. There's my buy indicator. I'm going to send the order in. You're going to see it right there. I'm going to slide my stop loss down to $50. So the maximum I can lose in this trade will be $50 if everything went south, which I don't expect it to. All right. And then I'm going to take this as my profit. I'm going to take this down to 20 bucks. Okay. Because $20 is a little quicker to make than 25. So there we go. So at the end of the day, we are watching this candlestick go from where it is. And right now it's break even, $1.50 profit, right? Now it's $3 profit. If it's in the green, you see my little cursor right here, it's $5 profit. Okay, it's climbing, $8 profit. If we got out right now, we'd have $9, $8, $9 to the good, $9.50. We're having a little faith here. We're going to have faith that it's going to climb on up and cross that $20 mark and make us some $20 profit. Okay, $20 doesn't sound like a lot of much, but if you're starting off and you're trying to make $100 a day, then you make 5 trades at $20. You're there. You can go home. All right. Also, it's critical, and what I want you to understand at this point is that you work the trade and you stick to your plan. If you tend to only lose $50, then set your stop losses and don't lose more than $50. If you intend to lose, if you've got a $500 account, you can lose up to $250. Well, when it gets around $250, get out, trade another day. You do not have to trade. So now we're seeing $13 profit, $16.50 profit. Oh, it took profit. So the take profit order executed just like it's supposed to. Now let's look at our balance down here. We started off, everybody knows we started off with $500. And if you'll notice, the account balance now has $519.98. So the realized P&L, which is realized profit and loss, shows we literally just made $19.98. That's what you do. That's how you do it. Now, that you can do that 5 times a day, make $100